Okay, guys, I'm going to start marking the exercise on page 5, the bottom part of simplifying your expressions. If I'm going too fast, please just pause the video. I really want to make this as short as possible. So number 1 was 1,1x plus 4,2x minus 3x. We can only add and subtract if they are like terms. So I've got an x, I've got an x, I've got an x. So 1,1 plus 4,2 is going to give you 5,3x minus 3x. Still like terms, so it's going to be 2,3x. Number 2. 3,41y minus 5,3y plus 1,22y. You guys, if you really do want to, you can put them on fractions, but for the plus and minus, it's fine. We can just do it with our calculators. We've got y, y, and y. They are all like terms, so we can add and subtract them. If we look, I do not have my calculator with me. Let me just find my calculator on the computer. 3,41 minus 5,3 gives you negative 1,89y plus 1,22y gives you negative 0,67y. Okay, so there's your answers for the first two. Sorry, I just quickly went to fetch my calculator. Okay, number 3. Was negative 12,1x plus 3,1y minus 4,2y plus 14,1x. So again, we have to find the like terms. There I've got an x and an x, and I've got a y and I have a y. So if I'm going to say negative 12,1 plus 14.1, it gives me 2x, and then 3.1y minus 4.2y gives you negative 1,1y. And they are not like terms anymore, so this is my final answer. Number 4. 2,4 times 3,12x. Remember, if we times or we divide, we use our fractions, we use our decimals fractions as fractions. So I'm going to say 24 over 10 times 312 over 100. Remember, because it was two numbers after the comma. Remember, I said to you, x is on top, eh? So you're going to say 24 times 312. Calculator, 24 times 312 gives you 7,488x over 1,000, and we know 1,000 must have 3 numbers behind the comma. Remember, you guys, the x does not count as a number, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, so it will be 7,488x as your final answer for number 4. Number 5. Number 5 is 5,41 bracket 2,1x plus 1,4x. You guys, here you can follow now either BODMAS doing brackets first, or you can distribute. I'm going to do BODMAS, so I'm going to say I've got like terms in my brackets, so I will add them first. I will say 5,41 bracket 2,1 plus 1,4 gives me 3,5x. And now this is going to be multiplied, so it's going to be 541 over 100 times 35 over 10, 35x, remember the x is on top, so 541, my calculator is also on holiday, 541 times 35 gives me 18935x over 1,000. Remember 1,000, 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 18,935x. There's your number 5. Number 6. You're going to say negative 2 bracket 3 comma 1y minus 1 comma 4 3. I cannot do the brackets inside because they are not like terms, so I'm going to have to distribute. So I'm going to say, sorry, I don't have space on the top, negative 2 times 3 comma 1, negative 2 times negative 1 comma 4 3. So negative 2 times 3.1 gives you negative 6 comma 2y, and negative 2 times negative 1 comma 4 3 gives you 2,86, which will be positive because a negative times a negative gives you a positive. Can I go any further? No, I cannot, because why? There's no like terms, so this is my final answer. Number 7, 2,1x times 4,2x minus 3,1x squared. So now I've got a multiplication and a minus. BODMAS tells me I'm going to do times first. So I'm going to say 21x over 10 times 42x over 10 minus 3,1x squared. We can leave as that because we're going to minus now. 21 times 42 gives you 882 over 100. X times x is x squared minus 3,1x squared, which will give me two numbers, 1, 2, 8,82 x squared minus 3,1x squared. I do have like terms now. I've got an x squared and an x squared, so I can say 8.82 minus 3.1 gives you a total of 5,72x squared. Remember, like terms, they stay the same. Okay, last one for this exercise, number 8. Remember, you guys, if I'm too fast, please pause the video. Okay, number 8 said 4,4x divided by 4 plus 1,1 times 2x. Remember, plus and minus splits it, so these two goes together, these two go together. So it's going to be 44x over 10 divided by 4 over 1 plus 11 over 10 times 2x over 1. Still, these two go together and these two go together. What happens with the divide? It changes to a times, and if it changes to a times, my numbers switch around. So it's going to be 44x over 10 times 1 over 4 plus 11 times 2 gives you 22x over 10. So it's going to be 44x over 40 plus 22x over 10. I can divide here with 4. Then I have 11x over 10 plus 22x over 10. Like terms, so it can be 33x over 10, which will give me 3,3x as my final answer. Okay, so you guys, there you go for the exercise on page 5. I will do a new video for the exercise on page 6 just before the solving of problems. Thank you.